Hey, what's going on, guys? Tyrone sent me this 4 pack of 18500 rechargeable batteries for free, so I could take them out, let you know what I think about them. So just to open the box up real quick, you can see how it comes. Here's the 4 pack of rechargeable batteries. See there we go. Have them kind of just folded up that way, sitting in the box, so it's really neat. And then it also comes with this charger for them. So these types of batteries, these 18500s, they're good for certain flashlights. Also, really good for things like your solar lights outside that line your sidewalks, things like that. Um, and I can also tell you that Tyrone is one of the brands that I've worked with before. So I haven't used this particular battery, but I've used some of their other batteries, and they have really good products. The ones that I've used for myself, they hold charges really well and they charge quickly. So I love that about them. And so just overall, what I'm saying is that their products seem really high quality. So I do like that. Anyway, so here's the charge. You can see it comes in the sleeve too. So take that out and just open up the batteries. So you can see the battery pack recharger itself comes with 2 ports here. So your batteries can just slide in them there. And then it also comes with this charging cable. It has like a little rubber band holding it shut. Super simple. It has your USB that you plug into your wall or charging cube, and then you plug in your battery pack at the top of your battery pack there to charge your battery. So, I mean, it's a really cool product. It's a really cool company. Again, I've worked with them before, and I really do trust them as a company. I'm super excited to work with them. And I think if you're looking for any types of batteries, you should definitely give them a shot.